Hey everyone, taking a quick minute today to show you the new Phone Skope phone tripod mount. It's got two mounting positions, one on the back, one on the side. Easily attaches to your phone in or out of a phone scope or protective case. Now that you've got that in there, you're going to twist on your tripod plate just like you would with any of your optics or camera. Twist that on there. Set it into the tripod head and you're ready to go. So that's really handy if you're out in the field and you're trying to get a picture that you would like to be in. You don't want to exclude anybody. Also really pairs nicely with the Bluetooth shutter button, so you can trigger that wirelessly and you wouldn't have to mess with a timer. If you have any questions, drop us a line, support@phoneskope.com, or you can give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thank you.